Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss is here. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, you say today, you know, me now go in a bag of details, you understand, and a bag of long vlog. Zin, because today right now, as I tell us, me is a man now, my people, me not depend too much of the vlog about the cartel case in a court and this and that right now. But you see where, me say some main things are forward, me just have to make the people understand what's really going on. Alright, yesterday when me dropped the vlog, my people, and I stated and say, yo, freedom, right there, so there. You see me? And a freedom with some people. Freedom. You see me? Vybz Kartel right now himself, my people, is just waiting. I want this thing for done with. You understand? Basically, just sit down, want this thing for done with, for go see him family, get him best medical care. You understand? Him see him co-accuse them want the best for them to go see them family, get them checkups and go back to a normal life. Which we all know say a normal life now come in a 1 day, 3 day, a month. You know what I mean? It gonna take time, people, for really go back to a real level. If they even do can. Because mentally, physically, they have been damaged. You understand? For be behind bars in prison in a Jamaica system, my people, for over a decade is not a normal thing. May I tell you that it's not a normal thing. You get me? So, when me talk about now, my people, when me want knock the nail, knock the hammer upon the nail now, on today date, which is Friday, June the 14th, 2024, and basically court update is, my people, and why I say freedom still on the, you know what I mean, on the verge for Vybz Kartel and his co-accuser people. Because today was a great day in court, and honestly, for the lawyers them, me talk the defendant them and Kartel and him co-accused side, me know that today they feel really great with the outcome and how things turn out to be. You understand? Because, my people, one of the most things that gravitate to me today in court is this, the headline, you know, that was publicized, that was published, and the headline said, Kartel's constitutional right likely to be breached should there be a retrial. Prosecutor. The prosecutor said that, you know. Remember, people, in the court, you have the prosecutors and you do have the defendants. The prosecutors, they are the one, like when they talk about the DPP, and them are the one who basically are push for a retrial. And for the defendants, them they are Kartel and them co-accuse them people and lawyers who they on team side. So, them say Kartel's constitutional right likely to be breached should there be a retrial. So basically what they are trying to say, there's some part of it where it can breach, but basically it might breach. So for sure you say the prosecution has them confused. Yeah, and this is the problem the judge have with them. And this is why you say the judge have to extend it and push it back till Tuesday. You see me? Because them confused. It's like they don't gather up them thing, my people, and come well prepared for this thing. You understand? So who did they know? A acting DPP and who are work with the DPP. Them not like them upon a level where me not know. And this is why I always been shouting and say, yo, free the man and him co-accuse them. Let them go. Because by right people, they don't have nothing strong to say the reason why them have the man lock up. Zin? So, I'm going to read this headline now pertaining, you know, back to the headline of the topic. I'm going to read this article behind it. And remember, people, again, what it says is Kartel's constitutional right likely to be breached should there be a retrial. Prosecutor. So, let me read. Kingston, Jamaica. the Crown says there has not been a breach of Vybz Kartel and his co-accused right to a fair trial within a reasonable time, but acknowledge that a retrial might result in the violation. Them said that. It is a change in position following Thursday's presentation by Acting Director of Public Prosecutions Claude Thompson, who at the time had agreed there was a breach in the accused's constitutional rights to a fair trial within a reasonable time, but argued that the breach was justified. We are saying there was the breach of their right to be heard within a reasonable time. We are saying the delay can be reasonable, justified, based on all the activities that took place during the 10-year period. And we are saying that having disaggregated what was happening during that period, the presumption of unreasonableness, we have rebutted that presumption by demonstrating to this court what it is that was taking place over that period of time, Thompson stated Thursday. The Crown, however, has now clarified its position, stating that there has not been a breach thus far, but said a retrial could see a potential breach. To combat such a breach, the Crown said there are safeguards to prevent the unreasonable delay of 3 years for the retrial, as was the case with the initial trial. Kartel real name, Adidja Palmer, Sean Stamber, Kyra Jones and Andre St. John were charged with the September 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. People, I mean, I'm going to go back with a lot. You know what I mean? But what I'm saying, them admit the fact, so them breach him constitutional right already. You see me? Because them delay the thing and them say whatever. But think about it. You delay a man thing, a man they behind bars, you know, my people. A life we attack a human being, you know. You see me? And all human rights not step into this. What human rights there? Them breach it already. You see me? Because them delay and them are going to say because certain things that happen. But they're not thinking about a man that suffer behind them dirty prison wall. Eh? Them not think about the dirty condition where them have to live in and develop sickness. But only thing them can say, it can be justified with the delay and the process. It is not right. And now them are going to say a retrial likely can be breached against them constitutional right. So why would a retrial still be on the table? Freedom! Back to basic NEWLINK. Freedom. And when you hear me talk and I'm saying freedom over and over again, people, please understand what I'm trying to say. Alright. Another article publicized today on the court day, my people, which day 5, right? Yeah. And this one gravitate me again, and I'm saying freedom. See? Listen, prosecutor them attack. Bail could address Kartel's medical mental state during retrial. What them say, people? Bail could address Kartel's medical mental state during retrial. So when we put things that the judge F0R basically say, look here, we still need a retrial, but we can't give them bail to go address their sickness. So during whatever time them are wait, we can put them on bail, but still have a trial go on just to get things solved. So basically, they are still pushing for that retrial, but them say, look, you know, because them say them not have nothing. You know, I'm broken people. Then they're on a rocky road full of beer patrol, the road on asphalt. For them road, patrol they all over so people. It patchy. You see me? So now, two of them road patchy, them are try to find all type of methods, people. Them confused to get things, to just get a retrial. Them confused. And the judge, right now the judge a laugh off for them, people. Big man thing. The judge a laugh off for them. The judge a look upon them right now, the prosecutors, them as some clowning at the court. Because they make themselves look fool. And again, big up the judge them. Because people, the judge not a joke. The judge they depend on a one-sided thing. You understand? The judge them are deal with the thing great. How many things are going on? Great. So let me read the article based on this, people. And again, headline of this one said, bail could address Kartel's medical mental state during the retrial, prosecutors say. And it goes by saying again, Kingston, Jamaica, prosecutor Janek Forbes says Vybz Kartel could be granted bail to address the entertainer's medical concerns during a retrial for the dancehall star and his co-accused. Noting that the gravity of his illness as well as his mental deterioration is not being disputed by the Crown. Forbes says the granting of bail could address these concerns. He argued that if bail is not granted, then there is a provision at the Department of Correctional Service that could also address Kartel mental state. And people, you see when him do talk this, I say the judge nail him in there. When I say the judge do what? Nail him. Alright. Defense lawyer Isaac Buchanan on Wednesday cited medical and psychological reports for Kartel, noting that the fever singer not only suffers from Graves' disease and has a failing heart, but also has a weakened mental state. The emotional toll, the anxiety that comes from it, the mental weakness that has developed as a result of the ordeal, it should not be lost the toll of the 13 years, Buchanan told the court. Noting that the Crown is not challenging the report of the doctor. Forbes acknowledged that Kartel is facing a grave illness and requires medical attention outside of the prison facility. Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, however, proposed that a prison doctor provide a report on whether or not Kartel can be treated in prison. Kartel, whose real name is Adija Palmer, Sean Shams, Stamble, Kyra, John, Andre, Rochard, the same thing people go by said again. And let me go into some update on this. So, you see the part when them said Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, whoever proposed that a prison doctor provide a report on whether or not Kartel, right? This was a big thing in court today, the people. On Friday, June the 14th, 2024. When I say a big thing, you know, what go on? So, when did them make this statement and say whatever, them forward and say, yes, and bring somebody up there who working at the prison. That's a normal worker. Here now, no? Yes, we have facilities inside that can... So the judge said, this man, how can you just bring a man and him just say that? Who is he? Me not look for this. Me I look for real professional people to come talk. These don't make sense. The judge said we are talking about someone, a human we are dealing with that. So this thing can involve human rights. Me say the judge knock the hammer upon them. You understand? Because what they are doing, the people are being foolishness, the prosecutors then depend. And this is why the judge said, yeah, you see me make things look good for you, because we give the defendant them 3 days for talk. Because then the plan for them 5 days now. And we go 2 days. Because if the defendant them talk 3 and them talk 2, that look what kind of weak way. So here the prosecutors them now. We have some more stuff. So the judge said, and they get 3 days, so we get 2. So can we get 1 more? So this is why they extend. Because people, the judge not done with that. Because really and truly, people, you don't need glasses to say. Vybz Kartel and him co-accused, basically my people, the man them there behind bars say nothing. Nothing. And all of the people them who keep on nagging and saying this and saying that and talk one bag of things out of them dirty thinking mouth. They say, yo, Kartel, they dead in a this and that and that. Now for uno go name the same word on the talk. And I want to see him when I go come on about world boss, me done Vybz Kartel and this and that. I want to see him one. You understand? But make I tell the people, prisoner make for dog. Anybody can go there. You understand? Anybody can go there. But it's how you go there. You understand? It's how you go there, you know. And what you go there for. When you go to a prison system, there's a lot of innocent people there in prison. And think about the fact it's not just Vybz Kartel and him co-accuse them. There's a lot of people who are going through the same thing, but unfortunately, they don't have the resources, they don't have the money to seek lawyer and do what Kartel do and send him thing over UK to the Privy Council. If he was a broke man, he could do it to people. And there's hundreds of people in Jamaica facing the same thing, which is totally wrong. It's wickedness. There's a lot of people right now, my people, they don't deserve to be behind there. And I want a nice place, I want a dirty thinking place. No make nobody forward until I say prison nice. It's not nice. I want a nasty place. Really, I want a cruel place. And to suffer over 13 years behind the people, I think I want an easy thing. Talking these things, people feel it emotionally through my body. If you know how the man them suffer, yo. Them suffer. Them man a mentality mash up. Naturally, my people, they messed up. You see me? So when I hear the talks and make and the talk and make and I say, yo, real thing, them people of truth, real and truly, them need to be free. Jaja sees and Jaja knows, them need to be free. And I just pray and hope say when them do get the freedom of people, which is the right around the corner, they can get back their mental state together. You see me, as I say, it's going to take some time, but you don't know. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and more love, more respect and more blessings. And Vybz Kartel keep strong, my brother. Hold your head up. Kyra Jones, hold your head up. Andre St. Jam, hold your head up. And the real down up there. Siva, Shanstan, keep high, my brother, keep up. Hold it, brother, hold it firm. Stay strong, job on the side, my brethrens. You understand? The world know, brother. The world know, say. You do not deserve what go on, but, brother, as I said this already, I'm going to say it again. If we all know about Mandela's story, a whole heap of years into behind there, and he ended up to be the president of South Africa. You understand? Vybz Kartel. I see the MP thing, my brother. Peace out. Stay strong. Remember, people, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow my people also on other social media platforms. Same way. You understand? And just stay safe and just do the right thing of people. Be safe out there. Jaja see, Jaja knows. Attack them NEWLINK. Blessings. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay strong. I'm out.